Hi students, and welcome to week 8. I'm here today to introduce this new topic to you, and I wanted to do it personally because it is a group assignment. But wait, before you roll your eyes and take a deep breath, let me specify a little bit what I mean about a group assignment in this course, because my hope is that it'll be different from group work experiences that you've had in the past, especially if your group work experiences weren't necessarily positive. Many of us have gone through horrible group work experiences where either we ended up doing all the work or we were out of the loop the whole time because someone else took over. I really try to make sure that the group assignment in this course cannot go wrong in those ways. So let's talk about it together really quickly before you get really disappointed that it's a group assignment. So first of all, what are we doing this topic? Well, there's 3 weeks for this topic. This first week, you're really just working in the forum and starting to read the assignment descriptions for what's coming next. So that's this first week. Next week is when your project plan is due, and I'll talk about that. And then the final week is when your proposal is due. So again, week 1, forum. Week 2, project plan. Week 3, proposal. So now that we've got that down, let me explain what the project plan is. Again, due next week. The project plan is you and your group members getting together and developing a 1 to 2 page plan for this final assignment, the proposal. The plan consists of a schedule so that you can schedule out when you're going to have things due to one another, but also it includes a section where you delegate tasks. So here's why this is important. In many group assignments, you may notice that it feels like one person gets kind of an easy job while someone else gets a job that's a little bit difficult. Or maybe you've asked someone to do something and they said that they would, but then they never turn it in, and so then everyone else is scrambling to do it at the end of the deadline. I really want to prevent that for this course. So in your project plan that you'll be turning in next week, you and your group members have to outline who is going to do what in the proposal. And that's good for 2 reasons. One, for you, for planning. It's guaranteed that then you'll have a plan to make sure that this document is finished on time. But 2, it's great for me because instead of evaluating your final group project and giving everyone the same grade based on how that document looks, I can use the project plan to help evaluate your individual contributions. So let's say you spend a long time on your proposal's conclusion section, for example, and you do a really good job of writing that, but then the night before the assignment is due, one of your group members turns in the introduction, and it's sloppy and it has a lot of errors, and you and your group members scramble to even get it turned in. Well, I have the project plan, so I can see whose responsibility that introduction was. Now that's an extreme case. My hope is that you and your group members will plan plenty of time to edit and make this document cohesive before the due date so that that situation won't happen. But I share that example because I know a lot of you have had horrible group project experiences in the past. So I want to explain why I require this project plan. And it's because it's a tool for both of us to use as we're getting toward the end of the final project in this topic. And I'm trying to evaluate how much work and effort you contributed to the project. And then if there are any problems with the project, I can use the project plan to help evaluate what your group members were doing and what was expected of everyone. So again, one last time, this week you're doing the collaboration forum. Next week, you're turning in the project plan, which we do so that you can plan and so that I can help see who is doing everything, who is doing what in your group. So, collaboration forum, project plan, and then the final week is the proposal. Now that's the real point of this unit, is to learn how to write a proposal and to think about persuasive writing for proposals. Many of you will have to do proposals in the workplace, so think of this as a great opportunity to practice getting good at such an important skill. The proposals that I usually get in this class are some of the best documents I see. You've had some practice now with professional writing and communicating. You're working together with group members, so a lot of great ideas are coming together. I always look forward to seeing the proposals. So look forward, I hope, to the topic now that we've talked through it. Again, remember, it's just the collaboration forum this week, so you should have plenty of time to work ahead, read the assignment description for the project plan, read the assignment description for the proposal, know what's going to be expected of you as a group member this topic. Doing that will make sure that you're ready next week to start working on the project plan and to knock this project out of the park with you and your group members. Okay, it was great talking with you as always. I look forward to talking with you again next week, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.